Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline coming to you today from our Atlanta headquarters, and I have this beautiful Tesla Model 3 Highland, brand new. Customer car came in to upgrade the wheels. Now we talk a lot about wheel options, and T-Sportline has everything from 18 to 19 to 20 inch for all Model 3s. This car came standard with 18-inch wheels. This customer upgraded to what you see here, which is a 20-inch wheel. We have a square set of 20-inch by 8.5-inch wide TSR in satin black. A great looking wheel, a strong Tesla DNA, always looks great on this car. And going from 18 to 20-inch gives you a much sportier look. A lot of times people like the 18s because they have a little more curb protection. Well, we have an answer for you with the 20s as well. Normally, we would offer a 235/35 by 20-inch tire on these 20s, but we offer an added curb protection tire, which is a little wider. It's a 245/35/20 on this car. It's gonna be around a 1% diameter difference, so insignificant as far as the range goes or the speedometer or odometer, but it's gonna give you over 3% wider tire. That's a little over 1/3 of an inch wider on the tire, and that gives you just a little more curb protection. If you get up close to a curb, you've got more tire, so maybe the tire bumps the curb and saves the rim from hitting the curb. Now, this is a square set, meaning the front and the rear are the same width wheel. So you can swap and rotate all four of them, no problem. If you want the ultimate sportier look, we have a staggered set, which would keep 8.5 in the front, but put a 10-inch wide in the rear. That's the more sporty, aggressive look. And what it's gonna end up doing is flushing out the rear wheel. It's gonna be wider, but you can't rotate those front to rear, only side to side. Okay, everybody, I hope this was a good intro on 20-inch for your Tesla Model 3. We've also got the same options for Model Y, and of course, we've got wheels for Model S, X, and Cybertruck. I hope you guys liked this video. Give me a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and make sure you subscribe to our channel and come back soon. We got a lot more Tesla upgrades to share with you.